Hi everyone. So today we're going to solve Leetcode problem number 242, valid anagram. So anagrams are basically, the words which can be rearranged into each other. For example, over here we have anagram and negagram. Okay. So if you rearrange any of these, you can, like if you will rearrange S, you can get T and vice versa as well. So these will be called anagrams of each other. Okay. So now we'll have to check if two given strings, S and T's, are anagram of each other in the test cases or not. Okay. So first thing which comes to my mind is if we get exact same number of occurrences of each individual character in both the strings equal, we can say both are anagrams. Okay. So this is the first approach to tackle the problem. And second approach is like, for example, in these two words, okay? Let's say if we sort these two words in ascending orders, which will mean, we'll have A at the starting, then we'll have G, R, M, N, similarly this. So if we sort these two strings, we can also get the results the same way, okay? So we will implement both the with both the approaches and let's see which one performed better. So yeah, let's start with the first one. With we're just sorting out the both characters and checking if both are same. Okay. So to do that, I can simply do sorted and sorted S is equals to sorted T. Okay, this is a very simple approach. Let's see if the test cases, gets far. Yeah, so we were able to pass the test cases. Let's submit for further evaluation. Yeah, so we were able to successfully pass the test cases as well, and we performed very decent. Like we outperformed 88.5% of the submissions, and this solution was like I think decent. Let's use the other approach as well. Let's say this was solution one. And let's comment out this. And in this second approach, which I said, I wanted to keep a track of the number of occurrences of each character in both the strings, right? So what we will have to do is we can simply just uh, create a dictionary for both the strings, and we can check if all the values of each key is equal. Okay, so to do that, hash of s, okay, and hash of t. Let's say these two are the dictionary which I'll be using. And first base condition will be very simple. If the length is not same, length of s is not equal to length of t, then I'll simply say no. It's not possible to have an anagram from these two strings. Right? Next, I want to run a loop in the range of length of s or t, whatever you want to have. Okay, and now I will simply just keep track of each character. Okay, so for example, at we get 0 as an index. Okay, I'll check if we have that particular character. For example, in this string in S, we have, let's say, A N A G R A M. So at 0, we'll get a character, right? So I'll check if we already had that in our dictionary or no. So if not, we will initialize that with a value of 1. If yes, I'll simply just increment the value which is already there. So to do that, I'll simply just use the get operator to check and initialize with a 0, and we will add 1. So this way, like we will be tackling both the cases if it was not there already, or if it was there, we will simply increment 1. Same way we'll have to do with, sorry, we'll have to do with T as well. Hash T, okay, T. I think, yeah, that is done. So once we have the hash map, we just simply have to traverse all the keys. So what I'll be doing is for uh, key in hash s dot keys, okay, if mm, hash s key, sorry, not equal to hash t of key, then return false. Otherwise, return true, like if everything was successful. So what I'm doing over here is I'm just iterating through all the keys of our hash map for S, and I'm checking if the value of any particular key is exactly same of this the value of the same key in hash T as well. If not, I'll be returning false. Otherwise, if the value is same for all the keys, I'll be returning true. Let's see. Okay, there is some issue. Just a sec. Here, T, 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 T. Okay, we have this. Here, T. Oh, okay. So I think we should use get over here as well. Dot get key, comma, 0, and same for this as well. Yeah, so the test cases ran successfully. Let's submit for further evaluation. And yes, the submission was successful, and the results with this approach was also decent, I would say, around 71.5%. But yeah, this is it. Thanks a ton, guys, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.